Very good evening, dear students. Audible? Can you clearly hear me? Let me know in the comment section. I am noticing all your messages. Let me know in the comment section. Is it clearly audible? Yes? Clearly audible? Yeah? Okay, good. Very good. Let's try to learn today's new concept. So, what are we learning today? We are going to learn about small friend. Ma'am, we have already learnt about small friend in our previous sessions, right? Why are we learning it now? See, now in our today's session, we are going to learn small friend minus concept. Look at the top. What I have mentioned there as, please write it, small friend minus formula. So here in this one, as like small friend plus formula, 4 numbers will be. And those 4 numbers do carry 4 formulas. So in our today's session, we are going to learn about 2 formulas. Which are those? Small friend minus 1, small friend minus 2. Ready to learn? Say yes in the comment section. I am noticing each and every message of yours. Say yes in the comment section. Let me know. Good. Very good. Just a second. Okay. Yes. So let's learn. First, please note down the formulas which are on the top. Please make a note of all the formulas. See, I'm showing, I'm pointing it. Minus 1 is equal to plus 4 minus 5. Minus 2 is equal to plus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 is equals to plus 2 minus 5. And last formula, minus 4 is equal to plus 1 minus 5. So today we are going to learn 2 formulas among these one. And now you can notice the questions which are related to small friend minus 1 here. So how to solve it then? Come, let's try to understand with these 10 questions. Okay, ready to learn? Clear? Yes, very good. So now what you're looking at is 13 rod abacus tool. If you have 13 rod abacus tool, no problem, go with that. If you have 17 rod abacus tool like this, not a problem, you can go with that. If you have any other abacus tool, you can go with that as well. Okay. If you don't have any abacus tool, please purchase it. You have abacus tool, right? Let me know in the comment section. You have abacus tool, right? Let me know. Yes, very good. Very good. Come, let's try to solve the question. So what do we have in the first one? So the first question says it is visible, right? Yes, it is clearly visible. So the first question says add 5, which is nothing but we need to represent the number 5. So let's try to represent the number 5. And now as you guys know, these are the dots which are present on the abacus tool. If you are going with 13 rod abacus tool as I am going, then what you need to do? You just need to count them. Come, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So in this one, you need to keep your finger on the third point. That is this one, midpoint. Please place your finger on it. Placed? Good. So now, this is what called one's rod. Okay? And now, so the first question starts with the number 5. Let's try to represent the number 5. So here is the value of 5. This particular bit do carries the value 5. Done. Now subtract 1 from this. How can I subtract 1? Now the question is why I can't subtract. The reason is here, if it was the thing, or if it was the case like this, I could have easily subtracted minus 1. But here nothing has added to subtract, no, correct? So now what I need to do, apply the formula. If beads are not available, if beads are running out of the abacus tool, just remember you have formulas to apply. So here you have the formula list. Please try to apply them. Here you have the formula list. Please try to apply them. So as per this formula, minus 1 is equals to plus 4. First what we need to do? We need to represent 4. How to represent 4? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 has been represented. Still the formula continues. So after adding 4, what I need to do as per formula? Subtract 5. So let's subtract 5. See, 5 has been subtracted. What is 5 minus 1? 4. We got our answer as 4. Concept is clear. Let me know in the comment section, concept is clear? Yes? Clear? Okay. Now, the question continues. Subtract 1. So, here I am subtracting 1. Add 3. Let's try to add. If there are beads, I can add. If there are no beads, I need to apply the formula. As I am noticing, there is only 1 bead, but I was in need of 2 more, which means total I wanted 3. But here I can notice only 1 is left. What I need to do? If there are no beads, apply the formula. Which formula we need to apply, ma'am? That is the confusion. Not a problem. You need 3 and hence beads are not there. So just apply small friend plus 3 formula. That's it. You want minus 1. You don't have a bead to subtract. Just apply the minus 1 small friend formula. Whichever the number beads are not available, just apply the number formula, small friend. That's it. Okay. So now I don't have plus 3. We don't have beads here. So now let's try to apply plus 3 formula, small friend. Plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 5. That's it. Which I have taught you in our previous session, right? So as per the plus small friend plus 3 small friend formula, subtract 2, add 5. That's it. And hence, is it done? Yes, it is done. 5 minus 1 plus 3 gives us the answer 6. So answer for first question is 6. What it is? 6. So here is 5 plus 1, 6. Understood, dear students? Let me know. Have you understood? Yes. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Let's have a look on the next question. Ready? Yes, very good. Very good. I'm getting the messages in the comment section. Very good, dear students. Next. Second question. So here is our second question. 4. Here I have represented 4. Add 1. How to add? How can I add when there are no beads? Then what we need to do, ma'am? Very simple. You need 1, but there are no beads, right? So just apply the formula of plus 1. That's it. What is the formula of plus 1? Minus 4 plus 5. That's it. I have taught you in the previous session. I gave you one formula chart and I asked you people to take a screenshot of that. You have taken in the previous session. Suppose if you haven't watched any of our small friend formula classes, please watch them. Because before entering to the concept of small friend minus, you need to know about the small friend addition concept. Without knowing that, you can't do minus 1. See, we are getting the combination to solve here. So please solve them. Please watch them. Okay. So now I want 1. Hence it was not there. So what I thought, let me go with the formula. As per the plus 1 small friend formula, I need to subtract 4 and add 5. So hence 4 plus 1 is also 5. It is also showing the same thing. Correct? Next, subtract 1. Is it possible? Here no beads are touching this particular line, which means I can't subtract 1. So when I can't able to go with the beads, here the formula comes to my rescue. As per the formula, minus 1 is equal to what? Who will let me know in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section, dear students. So if there is no beads, then what we need to do? Formula. So what is the formula of minus 1? You can notice here. Yes, very good. Superb. Yeah. So it is plus 4 minus 5. So it is plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Let's continue. Now minus 1 has been done. Again they are asking me to add 5. So here I have added 5. Clear? 4 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5 gives us the answer 9. Answer for this particular question is 9. Clear? Clear? Let's move ahead. Now let's make the abacus tool value 0. Yeah. Next question. 2. Let's try to represent the number 2. Here I have represented number 2. Asking us to add 4. Let's try to add. As I am noticing there are only 2 beads, but I was in need of 4 beads. What I need to do now? No problem when there are no beads. Just apply the formula of which. Which number you are in need of? 4. Just apply the formula of 4. That's it. What is the small friend 4 plus 4 formula? It is very simple. It is minus 1 plus 5. I have already taught you about this one. Correct? Next, subtract 1. Is it possible to subtract 1? Yes, here it is 1 and I can easily subtract it. I can do it. Again they are asking me to subtract 1. I can't do that. Why? Because there is no bead to pull back down, so that I can able to do the subtraction concept. Hence it is not there. What I need to do? Formula. So here is the formula. If there is no 1, if there is nothing to subtract, just apply the formula. What is the formula? Formula says add 4, subtract 5. And hence we got our answer. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is our answer. Concept clear? Have you understood? It's very simple. It's like small friend plus 1, plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. When you get into minus 1 concept, you are getting the combination of that which we have learnt in the previous one. When you get into big formula, big friend formula, there also you will be noticing the difference of these things. So you should be well prepared. Okay? Yes. Next. So what is our next question? So here is our next question. It is 5. 5 added. Subtract 5. Let me subtract 5. Subtracted. Again they are asking me to add 5. Not a problem. Let's add it. Subtract 1. Again I am facing an issue. What is that issue? There is no bead to subtract here because they are all in its position. So now who is coming to our rescue? Formula, look at the top. Here I have mentioned the formula, correct? See, look at the top. It is small friend minus 1 is equal to what? It is very simple. What I need to write? I need to go with the formula called plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Plus 4 minus 5. That's it. And hence we got our answer. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the answer. Clear? Yes, have you understood this question? Let me know in the comment section. You have understood this question, right? Very good. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead, yeah. Let's make the abacus tool value 0, 0. Now, here we have the number 9. Let's try to represent number 9. Done. Represented. Subtract 4. Is it possible to subtract 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy to subtract. Then subtract 1. How can I subtract 1? Why I can't subtract 1? Why? Because no beads to pull back. So, formula comes to our rescue. What does formula says? Formula says us to add 4, subtract 5. Simple. Here you have the formula. Here you have the formula. Add 4, subtract 5. That's it. Again, asking me to add 3. No beads. Now who will be coming to my rescue? Who? Yes, very good. Yes. I'm getting answers in the comment section. Very good. So who is coming to my rescue? Small friend plus 3. Correct. Small friend plus 3. Correct. So now here comes the formula where it says subtract 2, add 5. That's it. Subtract 2, add 5. Then I can say it as 3. So answer for this particular question is 7. 5, 6, 7. That's it. Clear, dear students? Yes. Let's move ahead. Let me know in the comment section. Let's move ahead. Remember, your abacus tool should be so. Upper beat should be up in on only and lower beat should be low only. It should not be like this, something like this. No, this is wrong arrangement. No, they should be like this, under this particular line only. When you are doing calculation, then only the bead should touch this particular line. Remember that point. Okay. Now let's head towards the next question. So this is our next question. So what is it? Represent 4. Done. Represented. Again, represent 1. Possible to represent? No. Why? Beads are not there. When beads are not there, what I need to do? I need to apply the formula. What is the small friend plus 1 formula? Anybody in the comment section would like to answer this particular question? Let me know. What is the, my question is, what is the formula of small friend plus 1? Yes. Good. So the formula of small friend plus 1 is subtract 4, add 5. That's it. Very good. Yes, answer is correct. Now later on they are asking me to subtract 1. Is it possible to subtract 1 here? Not possible. Why not possible? No beads are there. Now what I need to do then? Here we have the minus 1 formula. As per this one, what I need to do? Minus 1 is equal to plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Okay. Next, as per the question, I need to go with minus 3. Is it possible? Let's see. Come. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads subtracted. And here we got our answer. So what is our answer? 1. What is our answer, dear students? It is 1. Very good. Getting the concept right? Let's move ahead. So here we have the next question where it says that represent 1. Okay, first let's make the abacus tool value 0. Represent 1. Here I have represented 1. Represent 2. Let's try to represent 2. Done. Again they are asking me to represent 2. How can I do it? The main question is, why can't I do it? Why? Because I wanted 2 bits, but here I have only 1 bit. So what I need to do? I just need to apply the formula of plus 2, which I have already taught you. What is the concept of plus 2 formula? It says subtract 3, add 5. That's it. If you are getting confused that what ma'am is saying, we are not getting into that. It's very simple. I'm just asking you guys to have a look on the previous questions where I went and discussed about small friend plus formula. There I went with plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. 4 formulas. In that, whenever it is required, we are using them. We have used formula of 1, 2, 3, 4 till now, till this question. Okay, just applying those formulas with the combination of small friend minus 1. Clear? Yes. Now, next, so this is done. Again, they are asking me to subtract minus 1. Is it possible? Yes, but BD is not there. No problem if BD is not there. Formula helps us. So, what is the formula? Minus 1 is equals to plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Done. So, answer for plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next. We have this question. Let's try to solve. 20. I need to represent the number 20. So here is a 10. Here is a 10 more, which is nothing but 20. Done. Add 2 to this. Added 2 to this. Done. Add 3 to this. Okay, let's add. As I am noticing here only there are 2 beats. I wanted 3 beats, but there are only 2 beats. What I need to do when beats are not there? Formula. What formula I need to apply? The biggest question for some students. It is the number based. So here we don't have 3 beats, so just apply small friend plus 3, that's it. As per small friend plus 3 formula, what I need to do? I need to subtract 2 and add 5, that's it. What is 20 plus 2 plus 3? 25. Here also abacus tool is showing the same thing. Clear? Next, subtract 1. Let's try to subtract. As I am noticing, there are no beads here to do so. So now, formula. What does the formula says? Formula says when there is no bead to do the subtraction, just apply me. So minus 1 says add 4, subtract 5, and hence it is done. So answer for this particular question is 24. What it is? 24. So here we have 20 and here we have 4. And finally I can say the answer of this question is 24. Clear? Understood? Next question. 55. So here I have went with 55. Subtract 1. I can't do subtraction here. So now formula. As per formula, add 4, subtract 5. Done. Next, add 2. Is it possible to add 2 again? Not possible. Why? There is no bead to add further. What I need to do now? Nothing doing, applying small friend plus 2 formula. As per this formula, small friend plus 2 is equals to minus 3 plus 5. That's it. Minus 3 plus 5. Later on, we have minus 1 possible to do. Let's see, even I don't know come. Yes, I can do it. I can easily subtract. So here, what I got my answer and it is 55. Correct. Answer is absolutely correct. 55 is my answer. Okay. Last question of small friend minus 1. I hope you have understood the concept, dear students. So the last question is take 1, taken, add 4. Let me add 1, 2, 3. I wanted 4 but I have only 3 beats. So now I can't do that particular action. What else I can do? I can apply the formula of small friend plus 4. As per that formula, what I can do? I can just move ahead by subtracting some number and adding some number. So small friend plus 4 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. That's it. Again the question continues and they demands to subtract 1. I can't subtract 1. Why? Because there are no beads. So just apply the formula. Here you have that one. So as per formula it is a plus 4 minus 5. That's it. Okay. Next. Add 4 again. How I can add 4? Already 4 has added. Taken here. Again I can't add 4. So what I need to do? Just apply the formula. Formula of plus 4 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Simple. As simple as it. Correct? So what is our answer? Come, let's try to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer for this question is 8. Have you understood the concept of small friend minus 1? Let me know in the comment section, dear students. I am noticing each and every messages whatever you are sending here. So please let me know, have you understood the concept of small friend minus 1? Let's head towards the concept of small friend minus 2. Confirm me? Clear, right? Yes? Good. Very good, dear students. Superb. Yeah. So this was about small friend minus 1. Now I have the concept of small friend plus 2. So here we have, where do we have the formula for this? On the top again. Small friend minus 2 is equals to plus 3 minus 5. Please have a look. I asked you people to write it earlier. Please write it. I am showing it on the top only because if you are facing any issue, you can just have a look on the formula whenever I'll be asking you the questions. So please write it down. If you are not writing, you'll be forgetting. What my suggestion is, if you don't have any exams near, then write each and every formula at least 10 times. Write them, practice them. If I'm asking you in the next upcoming session, we'll be solving big friend formula, and there will be we getting a combination of addition, subtraction, everything. There we will be also applying small friend plus formulas, small friend minus formulas. So you should be having an idea of all these things. So please remember and try to solve. Clear? Okay. Now let's try to solve. Before that, let's make abacus tool value 0. Make the abacus tool value 0, dear students. Done. Let's start. Yeah. So what is the first question? The first question is that take 1 or represent 1. Done. Represent 2 more. Done. Again asking to represent 2. I can or I could have represented. Why? I can't do it now because I wanted 2 beads, but here I have only 1 bead. So what I need to do? I just need to apply the formula of small friend. I want only plus 2. I am applying plus 2 formula. What is the formula of small friend plus 2? It is very simple. Subtract 3, add 5. That's it. What it is? Subtract 3, add 5. That's it. And hence you'll be getting the answer. But still, remember, still we have to continue. What is that? The last one. It is saying us to subtract 2. Is it possible to subtract 2? Not possible here. Why? Because beads are not there. So when beads are not there, what I need to do next? Formula. Formula says, just look at the question on the top. Formula says, add 3, subtract 5. That's it. Add 3, subtract 5, and hence you will be getting the answer. So what is the answer? What I can say my answer is? I can say that my answer is 3. Just a second. I can say that my answer is 3. How I can say? By having a look on the bits. 1, 2, 3. 3 is my answer. Yes, it is done. So this is how you can solve small friend minus 2. Have you understood? Let me know in the comment section. Have you understood, dear students? Clear? Yes? Good. Very good, dear students. Come, let's move ahead. So what do we have in the next question? It is asking us to take or represent number 8. Is it possible to represent number 8? Come, let's check. 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy to represent. We know how to represent. Yes. Minus 3. Is it possible to subtract 3? Possible. 1, 2, 3. Subtracted. Again asking to subtract 2. I can't do it. Why? Because no any lower beads, lower portion beads is touching this particular rod here. So what I need to do? Formula again. Formula says subtract 3, add 3, subtract 5. Here you have add 3, subtract 5. The second formula. Correct? Let's do it. Add 3, subtract 5. Done. Next, again it is demanding to subtract 2. Possible? Let's see. 1, 2. Yes, subtracted. Done. Finally, we have come to know that when we have direct subtraction, we can do it. When beads are available, we can easily do it. But when beads are not available, just apply the formula. As I said you people earlier, if you don't have any exam near, please write small friend plus formula, each formula 10 times. Okay, and here also small friend minus formulas, this also please write them. Please write them at least 10 times if you don't have exam nearby. If there is your exam, let exam completes. After the completion of exam, you can write it. Okay. Why I am asking you people to write? As I said you earlier, you will be forgetting one thing. Other thing, big friend questions do have the combination of small friends. If you are getting confusion over there, again we need to spend our time to understand the concept. So let's not waste the time in the further days. For that you need to have practice now. So if you don't have any exam nearby, try to write each of the formulas 10 times. -1 formula 10 times, -2 formula, -3, -4, each of them 10 times. Okay. Yes, say yes in the comment section. Let's see. Clear dear students, yeah? Okay. Let's head towards the next question. So the next question is represent 4. I can easily represent, not a problem. Add 1 to this. Possible to add 1 to this? Not possible. Why ma'am not possible? Why? Because in the lower portion we'll be having only 4 beats. No, that has been already taken. Again I can't add 1 because there are no bits. So when I can't go for 1, when there are no bits, I need to apply the formula of small friend plus 1. So what does the formula says? Subtract 4, add 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. You can see it is correct. Subtract 2. Possible? Not possible. Why not possible, ma'am? Here, if it was like this, I would have done easily like this. But there is no beat touching this particular line. So now what I need to do, I just need to apply the formula. Where is the formula again? Here. Okay. As per this, what I need to do, I need to add 3 and subtract 5. That's it. Add 3 and subtract 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. You can notice 3 has been written. Again add 4 to this. Let's try to add. As I am noticing only one bead is left here. So what I will be doing? No, doing nothing. Just applying small friend plus 4 formula. As per small friend plus 4, what I need to do? So what I need to do, I just need to apply the formula of small friend plus 4. It is -1 plus 5. That's it. What is the answer? 7 is my answer. What is the answer? 7 is my answer. Clear? Okay. Let's head towards the next question. The next question is take 5. What we need to do? We need to represent 5. So here we have 5. Subtract 2 from that. Here I can't subtract. If I say take 5, subtract 2 from that, simply you will say yes, it is 3. You calculated. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Good. Done. But here that is not the case. If there are bits, I need to subtract. If there are no bits, formula. Formula of -2 is add 3, subtract 5. Simple. Next again add 2. Possible? Let's see, even I don't know. As I am noticing, here there is only one bit. I was supposed to go for the another one as well, but here it is not there. So now formula of small friend plus 2, that's it. Small friend plus 2 is equals to -3 plus 5. That's it. Now -1. Is it possible to apply the formula of is it possible to go with the beats -1? No, not again. Why? Because here we can't able to do it. Now what I need to do? I just need to go further with formula. So previously we have learned small friend -1, this one. So the same formula we need to apply here also. As per small friend -1, what I need to do? Here you have, make a note on the top. You need to add 4, subtract 5. You need to add 4, subtract 5. That's it. Clear? So here we took 5, subtracted 2, added 2, subtracted 1. And finally we can say our answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. Okay. Now let's head towards this particular question. So it is a plus 5, done. Minus 5, done. Plus 5 again, done. Minus 2, they are asking me to go for minus 2. Why I can't go? Here if it was like this, I could have done like this. But here we don't have that option. When beads are not there, formula. That's it. You are getting the concept right? Let me know in the comment section. You are getting the concept right? Yeah? Let me know in the comment section, dear students. Waiting for your comments. Let me know. You are getting the concept of small friend right? Previously we have learned plus formula. Now we are learning minus formula. You are getting the concept right? Yes? Yeah, good. Very good, dear students. Very good. Let's move ahead then. So here they were asking me to go for minus 2. I don't know, when there are no beads what I need to do. Now who is coming to my rescue? The formula. Formula says add 3 subtract 5. That's it. Add 3 subtract 5. And hence I can say the answer of this particular question is 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay. Next. This question. Try to represent 7. 5, 6, 7. Done. Subtract 2 from this. Done. Again subtract 2 from this. Not possible. Why not possible, ma'am? Why? Because here no beads are touching. Well, in this particular rod, no beads are touching this particular line. So what I need to do? I just need to apply the formula of minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to plus 3 minus 5. Simple. Next we are getting another challenge where it is asking us to add 4. Possible to add 4? Let me know in the comment section. Possible to add 4? Yeah, let me know in the comment section, dear students. No, not possible. Very good. Correct answer. Not possible. Why? Beads are not there. No. So now when I can't go with beads, who is coming to my rescue? The formula, small friend plus 4 formula. As per that formula, subtract 1, add 5. And hence we got our answer. So 7 minus 2 plus 4 is nothing but 7 itself. Yeah. Let's head towards the next question. So this is our next question. Represent 6. Represented. Subtract 2. Not possible to subtract 2 here. So what I need to do now? Very simple formula. What does formula says? If you want minus 2, suppose if beads are not provided, apply the formula. The formula says add 3 subtract 5. That's it. Next, what do we have? Add 1. It is asking us to add 1. Possible to add? No beads to add, no. So now what can I do? Small friend plus 1. As per small friend plus 1, subtract 4, add 5. That's it. I have taught about this one earlier. Again it is asking to add 1. Possible? Yes, possible. Added. And 6 minus 2 plus 1 gives us the answer 6. Same. Okay. Next question. 42. So we need to use 42. Like 42 in the sense 2 rods should be used now. So this is our 40. This is our 2. 42. Add 3 to this. Okay, let me add 1, 2, array, no bead. So I just came back to the number 42. I wanted to go with the number 3. I wanted to represent. Directly I can say 42 plus 3 is 45. Correct? I can say it. But here no beads. So what I need to do? I will be applying the formula of small friend plus 3. What is the formula of small friend plus 3? It is minus 2 plus 5. That's it. So what is 42 plus 3? 45. On this abacus tool also you can notice it is showing 45 only. Clear? Okay. Next, subtract 2. So next the question is demanding to subtract 2. Possible? Let's see. Not possible. Why? In this particular rod, no any beads are touching this particular line. So what I need to do? I should be applying the formula. Formula says add 3 subtract 5. Simple. Hence we get minus 2. Again add 4. Possible to add 4. Here only one bit is there. No, I can't add. So what else I can do? I can just go with the formula. Formula of which? Formula of small friend plus 4. What it says? It says subtract 1, add 5. That's it. It says subtract 1, add 5. That's it. Very simple. So here we got our answer as 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, and hence my answer for this question is 47. Okay. Yes. Last but one question. Represent 3. Represented. Add 2 to this. Not possible. Why not possible? Beads are not there. So what I need to do? I just need to apply the formula of plus 2. What is the formula of plus 2? Minus 3 plus 5. This is the formula of plus 2. Again asking me to subtract minus 2. So I need to subtract 2 here. The question is of minus 2. Can I subtract? I could have, suppose if it was like this. But it is not the case here. So what I need to do? Formula. What formula says? Subtract. Like minus 2 is equals to plus 3 minus 5. Subtract 5 and add 3. Or first you can add 3. Later you can subtract 5 like this also. Not a problem. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. We got it. Add 1 to this, possible? Yes, possible. And hence we have solved the question. The answer for this particular question is 3. Okay. Next, last question of our today's session. Represent 6. Represented. Subtract 1. Done. Subtract 2. Not possible. What I need to do? I just need to apply the formula. Minus 2 is equals to plus 3. Plus 3 minus 5. Done. Add 2. Possible. 1 is there, but one more bead is not there. So what I need to do? Apply the formula. Plus 2 is equals to minus 3 plus 5. That's it. And hence we have solved the question. The answer for this question is 5. So here we can conclude that small friend minus 1 and minus 2 concept is done. So I have shown you guys how to practice or how to solve these questions. I am showing you these questions again. If it required, please take a screenshot. If it is required, please take a screenshot. Practice them. Only practice will help you. You should know the formulas of small friend plus, which means addition, and small friend minus. Both are very, 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 very important. If you don't know, you may not able to solve further questions. So I am showing you the questions again. If it is required, please take a screenshot of this one. Done? Yeah? Okay. So this was our today's session. In our today's session, we have learned small friend minus 1 and minus 2. Here also I have provided you the formulas. As I said to people earlier, if you don't have any exam nearby, please write each formula 10 times. And let me know in the next week whether you wrote it or not. Okay, as you start writing them, you will be getting an idea. Okay, it should be taken like this, it should be taken like that. As you know, we were getting the combination of small friend formulas, addition formulas here also, correct? So please practice them. in order to remember the things what we will be solving in the upcoming session. Clear? Let me know. Say yes in the comment section if it is clear. Waiting for your answer. Clear? Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay, dear students. So I'll be meeting you on next Saturday at 4 o'clock in the evening. Thank you, dear students. Happy learning.